Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the top end versus premium. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here are the top 5 biggest rumored upgrades. Know if it's worth upgrading to the next generation Galaxy S series model, launching in January next year. Have a look at the in-depth specs comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Ultra, along with expected upgrades to know if worth spending a huge amount of money. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. Design. With the current Galaxy S24 Ultra model, users raise several complaints about the bulky design and flat edges. Therefore, to rectify these issues, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to get slightly curved edges, and it will likely be slimmer than its predecessor. However, the titanium frame, quad camera setup, S Pen placement, are expected to remain the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Number 2. Display. In terms of display, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was launched with a 6.8 inches LTPO AMOLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 2600 nits peak brightness. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a slightly bigger display of 6.8 inches, with the same M13 OLED display. Therefore, the display features may remain the same as the predecessor. Number 3. Performance. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely get Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a major upgrade from Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Therefore, the new generation will be faster and more powerful than the previous generation. Additionally, the new generation may also be upgraded from 12GB to 16GB of RAM, offering improved performance efficiency. Number 4. Camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is popularly known for having one of the best cameras. It features a 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Now, with Galaxy S25 Ultra, the ultra-wide camera is expected to get an upgrade from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. However, other specs may remain the same. There are also rumors about the variable capabilities of the telephoto lens, which may offer fixed focal lengths. Number 5. Battery and Galaxy AI. The Galaxy S24 Ultra was announced with a 5000 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to have the same battery size. However, with a new processor and increased RAM, the new generation may offer longer battery life. Apart from these upgrades, Samsung may announce a new Galaxy AI feature with Android 15 and One UI 7 next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.